my creation. Can I get him alive? Arise! 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 It's alive! It's alive! Speak! What was that? You want to do week 4 vocabulary? Yes! Week 4 vocabulary! He's alive! Welcome, friends, to week 4's vocabulary lesson. Frank and Lambert had to step out for a second and go visit some friends. While he's gone, I'm here to talk to you about this week's vocabulary words. This week we have boast, quarrel, rigorous, vulnerable, and intricate. When you boast, that basically means you're bragging about something. Like if I was to say I was the prettiest person in the world, that's a boast. I'm bragging about myself. I have the best $2 million watch on the planet. That's a boast, a brag. This is the prettiest looking frog I've ever seen. I'm boasting. I'm bragging about something. So when you boast, you're being a bragger. A quarrel. When you quarrel with someone, that means you're getting into an argument or a fight with someone. Maybe I'm quarreling with Miss Garshow about whose birthday it is. Or maybe I'm quarreling with Mr. Lambert about who is better at basketball. So when you quarrel with someone, you are getting into an argument and a fight. A lot of 5th graders get into a lot of quarrels, especially when they're on the playground. When something is rigorous, that means something is very difficult and challenging. You might have a rigorous spelling test or a rigorous math test. Maybe you had a rigorous soccer game or a rigorous running race. Anything that's difficult and challenging and takes a lot of brain power to make it work, that's something rigorous, something challenging and difficult. If you're vulnerable, that means you're open for some kind of attack. You could fall prey to someone. A fish is vulnerable to a shark attack because they are vulnerable. They're at the mercy of the shark. So someone who's vulnerable is weak and exposed and could fall victim to somebody. The last word this week is intricate. Intricate is something very complex with a lot of moving parts. As I reach over here and look down for a second, I'm going to grab my pocket watch. This pocket watch is very intricate. It has a lot of complex moving parts to create it. The calculator that I have here has a lot of intricate parts inside of it to make the calculator go. A cell phone, a computer, your car has a lot of intricate parts to make it work. A lot of complex, different things going on inside it, which makes it very intricate and kind of similar to complex. So friends, these are our 5 words for this week's vocabulary. We have boast, someone who's bragging. We have quarrel, when you're getting into some kind of argument or fight. We have rigorous, something that's very difficult and challenging. We have vulnerable, when you're kind of open to attack or someone's kind of preying on you. And then we have intricate, something that's very complex with a lot of different parts moving together. So, thanks for listening to today's vocabulary. Let's check in with Frank and Lambert before we go. Frank and Lambert, I have a surprise for you. Yes, wait right here. Frank and Lambert, meet your wife, Franken Garshow! Maybe I went too far. Anyways, for week 4 vocabulary, I'm Dr. Frankenlures. It's Dr. Franken Lambert and Dr. Franken Garshow saying, the more you learn, the more you know.